Lyle Forcia. Born and raised in Lansing, Michigan, Lyle Forcia graduated from Eastern High School in 1965 and later obtained a Bachelor of Arts degree at Spring Arbor University. Lyle entered the U.S. Army on active duty in 1968. After completion of flight training, he earned the designation of Army Aviator with the rank of Warrant Officer. Immediately following flight school in 1969, he was assigned to the 190th Assault Helicopter Company in the Republic of Vietnam. During that assignment, Lyle served as aircraft commander and mission commander of a four-man crew UH-1 transport helicopter, flying air assault and direct combat support missions. Through these missions, Lyle accumulated 1,300 hours of combat flight time. The Army awarded Lyle 40 Air Medals, the Bronze Star, and the Purple Heart for wounds received in action. After rotating back to the United States in 1970, Lyle undertook an assignment as a flight instructor for the Rotary Wing Instructor Pilot Training Course at the Army Aviation Center at Fort Rucker, Alabama. Lyle entered the Michigan Army National Guard in 1971 and served until his retirement in 1997. Lyle received the Humanitarian Service Medal for conducting a life-saving rescue mission during a natural disaster. Upon his retirement, he accepted the U.S. Army Meritorious Service Medal for 26 years of significant contributions to the Army aviation mission. From 1987 to 1989, Lyle served as captain at the hospital-based helicopter program at Butterworth Hospital in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Lyle entered service with the FAA Flight Instruction Operations Group in 1997 as an airspace system inspection pilot. He served as flight inspection pilot on helicopter flight inspection missions for RW instrument flight procedures and ensured the safety and integrity of instrument approaches and airway procedures across the national airspace system. Lyle retired from the FAA and from flying in 2008 after accumulating over 14,000 accident-free military and civilian flight hours. For his service to our country, Lyle Forcia is inducted into the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame.